how do you handle situations where you are brought into end user training, but it all has minimal or no documentation at all? That unfortunately is normally common. So how my approach is for training is, one of the first days when I'm brought in, I want to sit with the admin or the developer, whoever leads the Salesforce implementation. There are always people there, and tell them, right, show me how the system works. What have you built? Show me the front end. Show me, if they say I need to train salespeople, show me what the functionality is. And I'll just sit there and take notes. If I can do it on my own computer, I take screenshots. I might record it, and I just take notes and notes and notes. And I know exactly not exactly, but I know in broad lights at the end what is needed. Ideally, I also sit with internal experts and say, okay, business, what are your processes? What does a user do on a day-to-day basis? What are your expectations?